So y'all, we about to try something new today. I saw one of my old co-workers. She had been, and honey, this looked just like my kind of thing to do. So we finna check it out. And it's called Old Mill Park in Roswell, Georgia. Y'all can look up the history. I can't give y'all no history lesson. Honey, I'm new to it. Hold on, y'all. I got to walk sideways. I got to walk sideways. By the RV, it's a tight spot. Okay. I think it's a walking trail. I think I leave going there or leaving.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Nobody noticed.
Jesus.
Wow, you're a clown.
You got a New York Buffalo.
Take a look down there. It's a big waterfall, and you can get in the water, and it's a big walking trail. So let's get started. And it's free. I'm gonna start the video till we get down a little piece. And the name of the body of water is called Vickery Creek. And it's a bridge. I don't know if we're supposed to go over the bridge or walk on the other side. We're gonna go over the bridge and see where it takes us. And then if it doesn't take us to the water, we'll come back and go over the other side. Hey, how y'all doing? It's in Roswell, Georgia. I don't know if I told y'all it. Oh, that's nice. And it says real busy on the weekends, but on the weekdays, it's not so busy. I'm scared, y'all. I have to come. I have to come when there's a crowd. Oh, that's nice. I don't want my phone to fall though. Let's see where the waterfall is. Let's see. I think it might have been further down. I'll call y'all back. Let me figure out some stuff. And y'all, I don't know if, I hope y'all can hear me, but I don't know. I came to get in the water, and I don't know if I recorded the last video or not, but I was showing y'all a snake, and I just saw another snake. I'm scared to get in this water. I'm scared to get in, but it's beautiful. I'll call y'all back. Okay. So we're on another bridge now, and I just want to show y'all this other little feature. I'm trying to find a waterfall, but this is a part of the mill, I guess. It's nice. Old mill. Y'all, I'm so jumpy. I just saw a sock. I thought it was a snake. I almost jumped out my skin. And then on my way here, I would be listening to a video talking about national parks and state parks and folks going missing and coming up there. And I said, oh God, Lord, don't be sending me a sign. Because I sure want to see it. Okay. Finally got to the waterfall. Oh my God, it's beautiful. I'm gonna start y'all back when we get up there. I don't want it to be too long. Oh my God, y'all, this is nice. How you doing? Okay, let me get a little closer. I'll call y'all back. Let's see how we can get down there. I'll call you back. This is the dam for the waterfall. And it has signs saying do not get on that dam. So I'm not gonna get on that dam. So we're gonna keep walking. People are down there, but I don't know how to get down there. Somebody said some stairs. So we're gonna keep looking. So honey's taking me on a walking trail, and I'm not here in the water anymore. So I'm gonna make a U-turn, turn back around. I don't know nothing about this trail, so I'm gonna turn around and probably go where I was at first and go down those stairs and try to walk down. I don't know how to get down there, but I'm gonna figure it out. So yeah, we made it. We made it to the waterfall. It is beautiful. It's so nice and cool down here. Ooh, nice breeze. Made it to the waterfall. Huh? Yeah. Is it deep? Is it deep? In the middle, okay.
It's like drop off. Like that's
Slope down, okay.